Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley. Today we've got a little bit of a different video. I get a Boxycharm subscription every month, which is like a makeup and beauty product box, and they'll send you 4 to 5 full-size products each month. So depending on what you've kind of chosen in your profile, you know, if you like more skincare or if you like foundation or whatever it is, they try to cater to that as much as possible. So if you're interested in getting it, Boxycharm.com is the website. They have 3 different choices of the boxes. I get the base box. I've also gotten the Luxe box in the past. I don't know if I've ever gotten the premium. I think I've just done the base and the Luxe. The Luxe is an every 3-month box, so you get that seasonally. And it has an average value of like $395. So, like I said, this is just the base box. The cost each month is $27.99, but the value is always over $100, so you can't really beat it. Okay, so opening up the box, the first thing we see is this Araceli, I don't know how you're supposed to pronounce that, Araceli, 2 makeup sponges, and those retail for $24. And our palette here from Wander Beauty called the Wanderous Escape Eyeshadow Palette retails for $42. I love when they put the preview of like the shadows on the back of it. That's really cute and helpful. And I love the scenery of that. Very nature-esque. Okay, and then Anastasia. This is my favorite part of the box. Such a big brand. You know, collaborating with Boxycharm is just awesome to see. So we got that eyebrow brush and we got a brow pomade. I'm so excited to use this. I can't wait. I got the shade Chocolate, and the pomade and brush retail for $39. Then we got this Dermalect Cosmeceuticals Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. Retails for $59. Wow. That's a lot. Supposed to tighten and depuff and all that good stuff for dark circles. So that's cool. And then we got this matte lipstick from Context Skin, retailing for $20. And it's a cute shade. I will insert a swatch and also pictures of everything opened up. But overall, you can't beat the value for this. I mean, wow. And that is what we got. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and check it out if it's something that you would be interested in. And I will see you in my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. See you guys later. Bye.